at Prolight+Sound Guangzhou, it's been an incredible past few days. From the 21 exhibition halls through to the wide-ranging educational programs, immersive initiatives such as the Unicorn series and the extensive lighting halls, this year's event really has surpassed all expectations. We caught up with a few exhibitors to find out what their thoughts were on the show.
Prolight+Sound is one of the biggest shows in the professional audio video lighting in China. Every year we put the biggest effort in this show. It attracts most of the key customers. Our dealers, our distributor, system integrator, consultant will be all here.
To be in the trade show is important in order to be networking with expert dealers. We have many visitors from Vietnam, from Thailand, from Indonesia. So probably nowadays the most important trade show around Southeast Asia and China.
Well, we're really happy to participate in the Prolight+Sound show in Guangzhou. It's the largest ever, it keeps growing, and it's a fantastic platform for us to showcase our products and technologies.
Prolight+Sound in Guangzhou is becoming a focus show for us because a lot of professional customers, industrial people actually came here, so we get to meet everybody in the same place at the same time, right? So we have fun, we share experience, we share information, and we learn everything like new, old, and then we create new experiences.
I think that for the Asian market, maybe even for the Middle East market, looking at the Asian market, this is probably the show where everybody should come and attend.
So that's a wrap, and we're already looking forward to coming back next year when Prolight+Sound Guangzhou will return from the 27th to the 30th of May. See you there.